Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. So this video is just a little bit different. If you've watched this channel, you subscribe to this channel, you watch some of these videos on this channel, you'll notice that I've unboxed a couple of GoPros as well. I also subscribe to the GoPro Premium program. And one of the benefits of that program is that I'm entitled to a guaranteed camera replacement. So this video is all about that replacement. One of my GoPros failed. I'm not going to get into the details about filing the claim and what had to take place, but I'm just going to get to the real deal, and I'm going to unbox that camera and see what's inside. And okay, spoiler alert, there's going to be a little bit of drama in this video. Not a whole lot, like I said, just a little bit of drama. But if you're thinking about subscribing to one of GoPro's programs where they offer the guaranteed camera replacement, you might want to watch this video. Or if you currently are a subscriber to a GoPro program that allows these guaranteed replacements, you might want to watch this video. So without further delay, let's unbox that camera. The story has to start somewhere, and this is where it's going to start. It's going to start with this GoPro 9 you see right here. You can see this GoPro 9's front screen was beginning to fail. I got a solid white screen, and sometimes I would get these colored horizontal lines. Well, that's not going to do, but I have a subscription with GoPro which allows me a replacement, and for a fee, roughly $100, they will replace my camera. So I go ahead and I go to the website here, and I'm reaching out to them, and I have to fill out this information. You can see this text box information, and basically by the time you fill this out, you get a choice of having chat with a representative or having a representative call you. After discussing my concern with the representative and uploading a photo of the serial number and taking care of other details, we made arrangements for the replacement. Surprisingly, GoPro is going to replace my 9 with an 11. Super! The replacement is here. Well, I received the GoPro replacement in a cardboard box. Inside that brown cardboard box was this GoPro case. And of course, the replacement camera is going to be inside the case. But check this out. To sweeten the replacement, they threw in this battery. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, I'm going to set this battery aside. So I'm going to take a closer look. Sure enough, this is a GoPro case. So that's a nice bonus, right? Always doesn't hurt to get an extra one of these cases because I could always put accessories in it. So that's good. I like that. It does feel good. I mean, of course, it's a GoPro case, so it's solid, and if it's good quality. See, it sounds good. Tapping it's just fine. Hey there. While I'm unzipping this GoPro case, if you're enjoying this video and the videos on this channel, now might be a great time to hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe to this channel, you are helping this channel grow, and it is appreciated. Oh, and here it is, the GoPro 11. Nice, not a bad deal for a replacement over a GoPro 9. You can see here, this is all that came in the case, but that's really what the deal was. I mean, they replaced the camera. Nothing more, nothing less. Pretty tight. It's going to take a little bit of work to get it out of this case. I'm going to shake it around, get my fingers around it. There it goes. And here it is, the GoPro 11. Again, the replacement for the GoPro 9. Time to have a closer look at this camera. I'm going to just flip it around a little bit. I'm looking to see where I can pull the paper off. But, oh, here we go. Let's tear the paper off and see how this looks. So far, so good. Now let's pull the protective tape off here. Looks good. Some smudges there. I'll probably take a closer look at that. Oh, that looks good. And yeah, I am seeing some smudges here on this front glass display. Let's take the back off here. And there it is. That's the GoPro 11. Okay, it is kind of bugging me. I can see those smudges there. Can you see them there? Yeah, so I'm going to try to clean it here with this lens cloth. Let's see if this doesn't good. I'm still seeing something there. I think this is a scratch. Actually, it looks like it's more than just a scratch. There's a number of small scratches on this cover here. You can kind of see the big scratch right there. Okay, this is bugging me a little bit. I'm going to see if I can get something better to clean it. Alright, now I'm going to go heavy duty. I'm going to use these lens cleaning wipes and see if I can get this cleaned off. You know, that scratch and those little scratches are not going away. But I'm not going to give up because a piece of me still is hoping it may be just some kind of glue residue from the lens's protective cover when it was shipped. But no, I could still see it right there. You can see the scratches there. You know what? One more time with this other lens cleaning cloth. Let's see. But yeah, I'm still seeing it there. It looks like it's got a little, well, it's been scratched somehow, and I'm not sure how. Although those scratches are bugging me, I still got this battery, so I might as well tear off the protective cover on the battery and have a look at this. Yep. Sure enough, it's a GoPro battery. You know, GoPro batteries, you can never have too many of those either, right? But it's this that's bugging me. The scratches on the front display screen. I mean, I'm going to lift this up to the light a little bit better so you can get a better view of it. But you can see those scratches there, right there. Look at those scratches. I mean, look at that. Those scratches are pretty clear. So you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to reach out to GoPro. And I did reach out to GoPro, and they did send me a replacement. I had to return the first replacement. After GoPro received the first replacement, GoPro sent me the second replacement. So time to regroup a little bit. The original replacement came in a case like this, inside of a cardboard box, and they threw in a battery. The second replacement camera came in this cardboard box, inside of a cardboard box, and they threw in this tripod. So I guess the next thing to do is let's open the cardboard box and see what the second replacement looks like. Yeah, so here's the cardboard box. Like I said, this box came inside of a cardboard box. So, yep, it's a cardboard box. You can hear it. So, avoiding all the drama, because I've already opened in this video, I'm just going to quickly open this box and just cut to the chase and see what's inside. So, I'm going to have to flip this around a little bit. You know, I'm going to open it. Hold on, let me do it this way. Let me slide this. Here we go. Here it is. Well, again, oh, look at that. Check this out. This time around, the GoPro has, instead of that paper glass cover and lens cover, it's got this clear plastic glass cover and lens cover. So let's get this protective cover off, and I'm really just curious. I just want to take a look and see scratches or no scratches. We'll find out. Here we go. Well, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any scratches this time. And as for the lens, yeah, it looks pretty good too. And for the back display, it looks clean too. No scratches. So I guess the second time around, I'm okay. I'm happy with this. So I'll just set this aside, and don't forget, they threw this in to sweeten the deal. I got a little GoPro tripod. Can't go wrong with that. So I'm really not sure why each of the two replacement cameras, both being GoPro 11 Blacks, one came in a black GoPro case, the other one came in a cardboard box. One came with the paper glass and lens protector. The other came with the clear plastic glass and lens protector. I don't know the answer. Maybe you do. If you do, be sure to put your comments or thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and the videos on this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like. Likes are always good. And as always, thank you for watching.